Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21 and I'll show you how to activate always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have no installed by default the AOD on our Nokia phone, so that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now here into the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. So now just tap here to install, because we should get this application, and just we'll wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on our device. After that, just click here to open the app, tap to draw over apps, and find here the Muviz Edge app. Click here, tap to allow, and go back again to the application. Here switch to the AOD section, tap for example to this one, click to apply, and after that let's just lock the device. And now we can see that the always on display feature successfully turned on. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.